Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope you are doing well with the spirit. My name is Dr. Sadiq Ahmed, and currently I am working as assistant professor in Accra University, Pakistan. Today's lecture is about research paper. We will see what is in a research paper and how to write a research paper, how to write a good research paper which can be published in a good journals and good conferences. So, what are the technique to write that paper? So here we will discuss different sections, especially we will discuss the abstract and what is in abstract and what we have to write in a specific sections in a specific section of abstract, and then we will discuss introduction in detail, and the third one is literature, fourth one is methodology, and fifth one experimental analysis, and finally we will compare and conclude our work. So first today we will discuss about abstract. In this lecture we will discuss about abstract. So abstract consists of motivations, problem description, brief description of your solution, and the experimental results. These four main objects of abstract. If you focus on that particular four objects, then the possibility of acceptance should be increased, and your paper can be published in a good journals such as information sciences. Actually, I am a computer scientist, so I should only discuss the computer science related journals. So I mean that information science is a really good journal. Education and computer is a really good journal. Same is KBS, knowledge based system. It's a very good journal. So in information sciences, I have a few papers in that. So here, if you evaluate that four object of the abstract, then you can write a really impressive research paper. So first is the motivation. Motivation. You should write motivation in abstract. Whenever someone read your abstract, he or she should understand why we need to work on that particular algorithm and on the particular technique or approach. The second one is problem description. Actually, what is the problem? In my PhD career, most of the time, my supervisor was always talking with me that whenever I meet with him and discuss some research idea, he always asked me that what is your problem? Actually, what you want to do. So you need to be very clear about your problem. You need to be very clear about your problem. If your problem is clear, then you can work on that. It doesn't matter. It's big. It's a very big software application, or it's a small application. It doesn't matter. But your problem should be clear. And number three is brief description of your solution. How you provide solution for that particular problem. How you provide solution, you should describe what that solution is. And number four is experimental result. How you evaluate, how you test your algorithm, how you test your algorithm, that how you know that your algorithm is working well. What is the measures? Actually, like for example, I always use F1 score, precision recall, such measure to evaluate the accuracy of my algorithm. So here you should be very clear about your experimental results. So four objects, I'm repeating again. It's one is motivation, why you're working, why you want to work in this especially in that area. So you need to evaluate the hot topics, especially of that particular area, research area. Number two is the research problem, what you want to work. Why? Let's say I'm giving an example of that. For example, if you want to replace a table in your home with another table, so why you want to replace that table? or you if you want to change your mobile, why you want to change your mobile. So here you should be very clear, very clear about that why you should, why you are replacing that mobile, and what kind of mobile is that. You should give us some brief introduction about that mobile. So I'm just giving you an example. And number 4 is experimental result. What I have discussed, that you should discuss the results. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. And in the next lecture, we will discuss in detail the motivation, problem description, brief description of your solution, and the experimental results step by step. Thank you so much.